Changing the oil on a car is actually quite simple. We'll show you how to do it yourself. Here's what you'll need: Shell's Lube Match online tool or the car's manual, a pair of gloves, a pair of safety goggles, a car jack, jack stands, an adjustable wrench, a strap wrench, a screwdriver, a drain pan, some wipes, a funnel, an oil filter, and oil. Before you start, make sure you drive around a bit to warm up the engine, and check what engine oil should be used by visiting Shell's Lube Match online tool or by checking your car's manual. Find a flat surface to park on, jack up the car and slide the jack stands into place, and raise up the front until it becomes a secondary support point. At this point, put on your safety goggles. To allow for a better oil flow, unscrew and remove the oil filter cap on the top of the engine. In some vehicles, you need to remove the engine guard to reach the oil drain plug. To do that, slide under the car on your back and unscrew the engine guard. Grab an oil drain pan and find the oil drain plug. It's a bolt on the bottom of the oil tank. Position the pan underneath the plug before you unscrew it. Slowly loosen and unscrew the plug, rotating anti-clockwise. Now grab a cup of tea or coffee while the oil fully drains, which can take 30 to 45 minutes. Once the oil is fully drained, screw the plug back into place, making sure the copper seal is in place, but don't over-tighten. Remove the drain pan from under the car, along with any other tools. Now the oil's drained, you can change the oil filter. Locate the filter in the engine bay under the bonnet, and remove the existing filter by twisting anti-clockwise. Be ready for any residual oil drips. A useful tip is to wipe a little fresh oil around the seal of a new oil filter. This creates a better seal and will make it easier to remove the next time you do an oil change. As you twist the new filter into place, make sure not to over-tighten or cross the thread. Now pour in the right amount of fresh oil using a funnel. Once the new oil has been poured in, allow a minute to settle. Remove the dipstick, wipe it clean and replace it. Almost immediately, take it back out and check the new oil level. Add further oil and repeat the checking process until it's full. Screw the engine oil cap back into place. Start the vehicle and let it tick over for a few minutes to let the oil warm up and circulate, enjoying the new smoother sound of the engine. Then switch off the engine and after another couple of minutes, recheck your oil level and add if necessary. Now set up a reminder on the Shell app so you know when the next change is due. You've now successfully changed your engine oil and oil filter, giving your engine a new lease of life.